Hello and welcome to our ChurchPlus YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to create and edit groups. When you sign up on the platform, some groups are already created. Follow these steps to create new groups. Log in into your ChurchPlus account. Go to the menu area and click on People. Click on Groups/Departments. Once the page loads, you will see a list of default groups available on the software. On the top right corner of the group page, click on the blue Add New Group button. Once the page loads, input the group name. Enter the description of the group. Check the Enable on mobile. You can add a member to the group by clicking on the Import button or Add Member button. When you are done, click on the blue Save button. To modify the existing group, follow these steps. From the Groups page, click on the name of the group you want to edit. Once the page loads, you can modify or edit the group. Additionally, you can share the group link with members. To save any changes you have made, simply click on the Update button. Congratulations on learning how to create and modify groups. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. For any questions or support, please email us at support@churchplus.co. Thank you for watching and bye for now.